cosmic travelers. Whether you're a young dreamer searching for meaning or a wise soul reflecting on life's journey, welcome to Vedic Cycle of Life. In the vast ocean of destiny begins the moon Mahadasha, the realm of emotion, intuition, and reflection. Chandra Saumya, Prasannatma, Manakarak Uchyate. The moon is gentle, serene, and the significator of the mind. The moon governs our inner tides, emotions, memory, motherly love, nourishment, and peace. It shapes our moods, our habits, our imagination. After Venus Mahadasha's song of desire and beauty, the moon ushers a quieter, gentler passage. Antardashas of moon. The moon. Antardashas unfold like shifting tides of emotion, nurturing intuition, creativity, and connection. Moon Antardasha. Chandrasya Dashaya, Chandra Antardashaya, Sukhani, Saubhagyam, Jan Prasiddhya, Sheetal Bhavash. During the moon's Mahadasha and moon's Antardasha, this is the most emotionally charged and spiritually soothing phase of the entire Mahadasha. When well placed, it blesses with inner calm, maternal support, creative inspiration, and abundance through public admiration, media, or healing arts. When debilitated or afflicted, the same emotions turn turbulent. Mental instability, oversensitivity, or attachment to comfort may cloud progress. Tattva Guna Dosha blend. Being a Jala Tattva, water element, planet with Sattva Guna, the moon cools the system but may aggravate Kapha when unbalanced, leading to lethargy, weight issues, or emotional stagnation. Yet in balance, this same blend fosters intuitive intelligence, empathy, and rejuvenation. Health strengthens fluids, fertility, and immunity when calm, causes swelling, depression, or thyroid imbalances when disturbed. Career, work, and wealth. Careers linked with art, caregiving, hospitality, psychology, and leadership in nurturing roles flourish. Wealth flows through public favor, emotional intelligence, and creative presentation. When afflicted, confusion or overdependence on others may disrupt stability. Relationships and partner deep bonding, care, and emotional reciprocity mark this period. If afflicted, mood swings and insecurity strain intimacy. Moon Mars Antardasha. Chandra Mangalayo Sanyoge Dhan Labha, Karma Siddhi, Parakramah, Parantu Krodh Vridhisht. During the joint period of the moon and Mars, one gains wealth, professional success, courage, yet may experience anger and agitation. Here, water meets fire, emotion meets action. The nurturing moon joins the assertive Mars, producing intense emotional drive. When well placed, this phase fuels ambition with compassion, courage guided by intuition. Success arises in fields of leadership, defense, surgery, sports, or business, requiring bold decision making. When debilitated, impulsive actions led by fluctuating emotions may cause conflicts, accidents, or emotional outbursts. Tattva, Guna, Dosha, Moon's Jala, water, and Mars Agni, fire, form Pitta Kapha imbalance. Passion heats emotions. If unchecked, it leads to stress-related ailments, fevers, or inflammation. Health vitality rises, but temper and blood pressure must be controlled. Cooling diets and emotional grounding restore equilibrium. Career, work, and wealth. Tremendous drive toward achievement. Wealth through land, property, defense, engineering, or entrepreneurship. When afflicted, hasty investments and ego clashes harm finances. Relationships and partner desire intensifies. Passionate yet volatile. Affection turns possessive if unbalanced. Moon Rahu Antardasha. Chandra Rahuvo Sanyoge Chinta Brahma Vipattaya Parantu Videsh Sukham Cha. When Moon and Rahu unite, confusion and anxiety may arise, yet success abroad may follow. The moon reflects through shadow, a time when dreams blur with illusion. Yet within this chaos lies the spark of awakening. When well placed, Rahu magnifies intuition, fame, and cross cultural success. When afflicted, anxiety, addiction, or deception clouds the mind. Combined, Tattva Guna Dosha, Moon's Jala, and Rahu's Vayu bring Vata Kapha unrest, insomnia, restlessness, overthinking. Health varying immunity, nervous tension, and emotional highs or lows. Breathwork and grounding become essential. Career and wealth. Sudden success through foreign trade, digital fields, or innovation. If afflicted, impulsive choices may cause losses. Relationships, passion, and mystery intensify. Moon Jupiter Antardasha. Chandra Gurvo Sanyoge Gyan Vridhe, Putra Labha, Dharmnishtha Sammanhaj. When Moon and Jupiter unite, wisdom grows, faith deepens, and honor is attained. This is the meeting of the nurturing moon and the benevolent Guru, where emotion finds direction through wisdom. A time of compassion, spiritual growth, and emotional maturity. When well placed, Moon Jupiter blesses one with intuitive intelligence, nurturing leadership, and prosperity through teaching, healing, or law. When debilitated, emotional overdependence or misplaced faith may blur clarity. Combined Tattva Guna Dosha, Moon's Jala, and Jupiter's Akash enhance Kaphavata, soothing and sattvic, yet prone to inertia if imbalanced. Health brings calm digestion, better sleep, and mental harmony. But overindulgence or emotional eating may cause heaviness. Career and wealth prosperity blooms through education, counseling, or publishing. Respect, reputation, and steady gains come through guidance roles. Relationships. This is the season of emotional faith, nurturing love that teaches, not binds. Moon Saturn Antardasha. चंद्र शनिभ्यां संयुते दुखाने कार्य विघ्न मानसिक क्लेशश्च. When Moon and Saturn unite, one faces sorrow, delay, and mental strain. When the nurturing Moon meets the stern Saturn, softness meets endurance. This is the night before dawn, a phase of patience, reflection, and karmic discipline. When well placed, emotions gain maturity through responsibility. When weak, melancholy, isolation, or depression may appear. Combine Tattva Guna Dosha, Moon's Yala with Saturn's Vayu, creates Vata Kapha balance, grounding but prone to coldness or dryness. Health, fatigue, joint pains, or mood dips may occur. Yet structure, yoga, and rest restore strength. Career and wealth. Steady growth through persistence in service, administration, or social work. If afflicted, delays and hard-earned success, but with deep learning. Relationships, tests of endurance. Bonds mature through trials. Solitude becomes teacher, not punishment. Moon Mercury Antardasha. Chandra Budhayo Sanyoge Buddhi Pragya Vriddhi, Vakpatuta, Sauhardam Cha. When Moon and Mercury unite, intellect, eloquence, and friendly disposition blossom. Here, the heart converses with the mind. Emotion and intellect blend. Communication flows effortlessly. Imagination sharpens. Well placed, perfect harmony between feeling and logic. Success in writing, media, teaching, marketing, or counseling. Debilitated. Nervous tension, indecision, or mood-driven communication issues arise. Tattva, Guna, Dosha, Moon's Yala, water with Mercury's Prithvi, Earth gives Kapha-Vata tendencies, calm yet restless. Imagination may overwhelm stability. Health, mental fatigue, anxiety, and digestive imbalances possible if overstimulated. Grounding practices restore calm. Career, work, wealth, opportunities in education, literature, communication, and business negotiations prosper. Monetary gains through networks and marketing flourish. When afflicted, miscommunication and mental overexertion disturb flow. Relationships and partner. Bonding through words, mutual understanding deepens. When afflicted, overanalysis hampers emotional spontaneity. Moon Ketu Antardasha. Chandraketvo Sanyoge Vairagyam Chintanam Mokshalabha. When Moon and Ketu unite, detachment and spiritual contemplation arise. Now the moon gazes into its own emptiness, feeling dissolves into awareness. Ketu strips illusion, leaving only peace. When well placed, deep meditation, intuitive insight, and solitude bring liberation. When afflicted, emotional withdrawal or confusion may prevail. Combined Tattva Guna Dosha. Moon's Jala with Ketu's Agni form Pita Kapha, purifying emotions through fiery reflection. Health purification through fasting or meditation. Excess may cause anxiety or loss of appetite. Career and wealth success in healing, spiritual teaching, or research. If afflicted, loss of interest in worldly pursuits, yet gain in wisdom. Relationships detached yet compassionate, closure of karmic bonds brings peace. Moon Venus Antardasha. Chandra Shukrayo Sanyoge, Saundarya Labha, Prem, Sangeet, Kala, Aishwaryam Cha. When Moon and Venus unite, beauty, love, art, and prosperity bloom. Here, emotion meets elegance. Moon's tenderness embraces Venus's artistry. It is a time of love, luxury, and creative abundance. When well placed, this brings harmony, artistic success, and emotional joy. When weak, indulgence or dependency in relationships may blur clarity. Combined Tadva Guna Dosha, Moon's Jala and Venus's Jala double Kapha, enhancing sensuality and empathy, yet leading to lethargy if unchecked. Health, improved fertility and emotional wellness. Possible weight gain or hormonal imbalance if overindulgent. Career and wealth, success through art, design, luxury goods, beauty industry, or hospitality. Finances grow with charm and grace. If afflicted, overspending or creative stagnation may occur. Relationships, love deepens, intimacy blooms. The heart finds poetry in companionship. When afflicted, disillusionment teaches the depth of unconditional affection. Moon Sun Antardasha. Chandra Suryoh Sanyoge Manalabha, Rajya Sukham, Parantu Mansik Tap. When moon and sun unite, honor and power come, but with inner restlessness. The moon's reflection meets the sun's radiance, a union of feeling and purpose. Self-awareness dawns, ambition ignites. When well placed, this brings confidence, public recognition, and clear leadership. When weak, ego clashes or fatherly issues may stir turmoil. Combined Tattva Guna Dosha, Moon's Jala with Sun's Agni, creates Pita Kapha, balancing warmth and compassion but risk of burnout. Health, improved vitality but heat-related imbalance if stressed. Career and wealth, authority, leadership or fame through creativity and public service. If afflicted, rivalry, conflicts or misdirected pride. Relationships, passionate renewal, understanding of self and others deepens. Final reflection. The moon, Mahadasha teaches that true strength is softness, that intuition, empathy, and rhythm are not weaknesses but higher intelligence. It's a time to nurture relationships, listen to the inner tides, and trust emotional wisdom as much as logic. Work close to healing, art, care, psychology, or public connection brings fulfillment. Avoid emotional extremes. Instead, find beauty in balance. When you walk through Moon's Mahadasha consciously, you no longer fear change, you become the tide itself.